Energy is eternal delight. Just like the latest song gets the most applause, in the same way, innovation is to the development of a country. Salutations to the members of the jury. I am Prathamesh Bharadwaj and my friends Vijay and Atal Tinkering from 8th Standard C section Vijay Vittala Vidyashala, Mysore are presenting our topic Innovations and Revolutions in Energy Conservation. We have analyzed that the only means of conservation is innovation. We, the trio, have developed the Hyperloop, the Metro, and our innovation, the Slider Loop, which connects to the topic Conservation of Electric Energy by Innovation. Our topic consists of two systems to tackle social problems like excessive wastage of electric current and air pollution. Our topic has two systems, namely improvisation of the Hyperloop and preparation of carbon tiles and bricks, which use carbon as the raw material which is discharged into the air by industries and automobiles. We have tested our models in different levels, conditions and circumstances to check its efficiency. The overall objective of our model is to reduce the consumption of electric current and to protect our ecosystem from being polluted. Our model has three types of metros, namely the normal metro, the Hyperloop, and our innovation, which is the Slider Loop. The normal metro runs on standard gauge tracks. In this, the electricity is passed throughout the track in order to run the metro. This causes wastage of electric current, and the consumption of electricity is also more when compared to the Slider Loop. Now, I will show the working of the normal metro. Now, my friend Advait KV will continue with the explanation of the Hyperloop.
Thank you, Pratham. This is a Hyperloop. This type of metro is found in the present day. In this metro, tracks are electromagnetic. The magnets are attached at the bottom of the pod in such a way it repels with the magnet which is attracted to the train. At the backside of the pod, there is a propeller which pushes the train forward. In this train, consumption of energy is more and wastage of energy is also more. But in our Slider Loop, consumption of energy is less compared to this. Now my friend Bhajant will continue with the Slider Loop.
Thank you, Alfred. Now I have an improvised version of Hyperloop called the Slider Loop. In this project, the supportive systems for each other are made up of carbon. Like, flyover is the supportive system for the Slider Loop, and the carbon from the air pollution is the raw material for the construction of Hyperloop. Like this, a supportive system is built for more efficiency and durability. Construction of our Slider Loop is very simple. We have placed the conductive copper coil on the flyover and tightened it with screws and clamp system so that it will not vibrate when our Slider Loop starts to work. Only if the track is fit accurately, then only our Slider Loop can work in a precise manner. The air pollution from the industries and automobiles is used as the raw material for the construction of the flyovers. Unchannelized energy is a waste. According to DERC, Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission, ₹8 is being charged for per unit of electricity beyond 1200 units. The metro city Delhi uses almost 1.1 billion units of electricity per year, and by implementing our project in real life, it can reduce almost 8.8 billion rupees of the nation's electricity. Now, my friend Pratham will continue and tell about the innovations of this model.
Thank you, Bhajan. The innovation of our model is based on reduction of electricity consumption, which saves up to 8.8 billion of our nation. Air pollution is reduced by using the carbon as raw material for building tiles and bricks. Our model can also travel underwater, which increases the revenue of our country by attracting tourism. Now, my friend Advait KV will conclude the project.
The growth and development of the country's program is based on the production and the consumption of energy. The latest technology had proved that the conservation of energy can help our next progeny and also for our good. By this, we have proved that by implementing the Slider Loop and the carbon track can helped India to improve its economy and environment by 99.85%. We all hope to be remembered as someone who had made our planet a more beautiful place to live. Thank you. Jai Hind.